Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin with essentials you can do now. Confirm your mobile data or Wi-Fi is on and has signal. Once done, toggle airplane mode for 5-10 seconds to reset the radio. Next, force close Chrome and reopen it. This clears temporary glitches. If the site still shows, "This site cannot be reached," make sure your date and time are correct. Chrome rejects secure connections when time is wrong, then move to deeper network checks. You'll now change network settings to isolate DNS issues. Forget and rejoin your Wi-Fi, and if possible, test the same site on 4G or 5G to see if Wi-Fi is the cause. Then change DNS to Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 or Google 8.8.8 in your phone's network settings. This often bypasses ISP DNS failures. Once done, clear Chrome's cache and site data, then reload the page to confirm whether DNS was the blocker. Finish by removing intermediaries. Disable any VPN or proxy because they can block connections, then try the site. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall Chrome to remove corrupted files or settings. As a last resort, reset your phone's network settings. This clears saved Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and VPN configs and often resolves persistent network faults. If the error continues, test the same URL in another browser to determine whether Chrome is the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.